Hi, I'm Praveen, an ERP customer support executive at EduPlus campus. Hope you have watched the video of settings for timetable. In this video, we are going to see how to create timetable. For timetable creation, go to timetable, create timetable, and then click on create timetable new. Then select academic year, semester, department, then select year and then select division, then click on page timetable. Select slot where you wanted to assign instructor and batch and then click on plus logo. Then select instructor and batch and then select room. Online class is by default selected. If you do not want online class, then untick the checkbox, then click on save. Saved instructor and subject will show here in their slots. We can see faculty load if assigned by clicking on their name. For that, click on this logo and then select faculty, suppose MMC. Then their load will be shown here. They have theory load 2 and total load 2. If you wanted to delete instructor and batch, then click on minus logo. When we wanted to assign two different batches of two different staff in the same room, in the selected slot, same slot, then untick consider room clash. Suppose first we have to add same batch and suppose classroom 1 and save. Lab and practicals have different color. Suppose we wanted to add different faculty and different batch in same slot and same room, then we can't. Here room number 1 will not show. Then first we have to untick consider room clash and then click on slot and then select batch and then select room class number 1 and then click on save. See, different faculty, different batch in same room. Same works for consider faculty clash. Suppose you wanted to swap rooms. First add faculty, room number 2 and select other instructor and batch and room number suppose not 1. Suppose you wanted to swap room number 2 with room number 1, then click on swap and then click on slot and then click on other slot. Then you will see here one tab where we can select faculty, course and room. We wanted to swap room, then untick faculty and course, then click on swap. Then the rooms will be swapped. Same will work for faculty and courses. After filling required slots, then click on create real-time timetable. After clicking on this button, timetable will be created. We can see timetable room wise, division wise and faculty wise. For that, go to timetable, faculty. If you wanted to see division timetable, then click on division timetable, select academic year, semester, department, year, division and click on page timetable. Then you will see division wise timetable. If you wanted to download this timetable in PDF format, click on print. If you wanted to download in Excel format, then click on Excel. This method is same work for other timetable like room timetable and faculty timetable, and other different timetable is upload timetable. Click on upload timetable, select academic year, semester, program type, program, year, fetch, click on fetch. Then you can see here divisions. If instructor upload PDF file here, by clicking on this uploaded file will be shown to student on their side, from learner side. Here I have completed all points for creating timetable. Thank you.